Hello again, Elizabeth Cadney's here, and I just want to give you a sense of how to navigate each week on Canvas. So really it's simple to know how to use Canvas. All you need to be able to do is basically click a right arrow and do everything on each page, before you click the next arrow. So it really is pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. So right here we had the overview of Canvas video. Okay, so that was the video where I told you about how to navigate the tabs on Canvas. And then there was the video quiz where you answered some questions about that, hopefully. And then we have week 1 overview. So I want to click on that and show you just what the structure is going to be of each of the weeks in this course. So week 1 overview lets you know what's going to happen in the first week, and this will happen for every week. So you'll have 15 of these, and you'll always know what I'm hoping that you'll get out of the week, as well as what you need to do for the week. So it's sort of like a mini syllabus within Canvas and within each week. So week 1 is going to introduce you to the course overall and to each other, and it will give me a sense of where you are with your writing. So after this week, you will have a good sense of what to expect in the course, who your classmates are, and how to navigate Canvas. I would say for the first week, navigating Canvas is the most important. So if you have any questions about how to navigate Canvas, please let me know. So you're also going to complete the following tasks this week. And again, this is the part right here. It says, please complete the following tasks this week, paying careful attention to due dates. So you are going to read the syllabus. That's the collection of information that you need to know about the course, as well as what your assignments are. It's a paper form. It's also available online on Canvas, but I would suggest that you print it out so that you can have it to follow along with. Unless you're very, very into technology, in which case you can download it to your desktop, put it on your phone, whatever works best for you. So you're going to download, print, or pick up your textbook, introduce yourself in the class discussion, fill out and upload the learning community sheet, write a paragraph about yourself as a learner, and write the diagnostic essay. And that's the essay that's going to give me a sense of basically where you already are with your writing. So I'm just going to click Next, and that's how you're going to get to everything. Okay, so I'm going to click Next. Here we go. And the next thing says your textbook, print or save your textbook. So there are links here. So you can either click on your book in PDF format and go ahead and save that, or your book in Word document format. So I'll just show you how to save it in PDF format. You can click on it, and then for me, it's coming into this little download box on my computer. It's going to be a little bit different for each of you, but it should, when you click on it, just pop up for you wherever you put your downloads on your computer. There's another way to view it, which is just through clicking this little icon with the magnifying glass. That will show it to you right on Canvas. So here's the book right here that has popped up. Okay, so you have it available to you here. It's available to you free of charge. Okay, you'll always have it you'll have it online. If you'd like to pick up a copy from my office during office hours, please feel free to do that. Okay, so I'm going to close out of that. And then again, what we're going to do is just click Next again. Okay, so you've done that task, you're going to click Next. What's the next thing that you need to do? Okay, so what you're going to do next is your discussion post 1. So you're going to introduce yourself to the class, say your major if you've got one, let us know a fact about yourself, and then write what you hope to get out of the class or what you most need help in with regard to writing. So you're basically going to write that right here, okay? So you're going to write it here. You're going to type in your response. And you can see like a box pops up, and you can say, for example, hello. Hello. We'll be emphatic about it. My name is Elizabeth Cadneys, and my major is English. Okay? So that's basically what you're going to do. And then you can click post, okay? Whenever you're done, whenever you feel good about it, you can click post. You can see the normal tools here like you'd have in a Word document that you can use. Okay, so then you click next when you're done with that and you've clicked post reply. Sometimes you have to wait just a little bit for the next page to come up. There we go. Okay, and then this is your first assignment, and there are instructions here about how to complete the first assignment. You're going to click on it and then download it, save it to your desktop or to a thumb drive, and then once you've completed it, you're going to click the Submit Assignment button. So if you need additional help with that, please just let me know. If you're having trouble submitting assignments, let me know about that. Okay. All right. And then again, we have another assignment where you're going to write a paragraph about yourself as a learner. All right. So that is basically what you're going to need to do for the first week. And then the final assignment is the diagnostic essay, and that is where you will write an essay that just gives me a sense of where you are in your writing at this point so that I can help you from where you are. So you don't need to stress about it. You'll get full credit for it just for completing it. Okay, thank you very much and good luck with week 1.